28-Day Keto Challenge. Do you know the keto diet? The ketogenic or keto diet is a low-carbohydrate, fat-rich eating plan that has been used for centuries to treat specific medical conditions. Most people who try a new diet do it without a plan, and you're not losing weight on the keto diet. The 28-Day Keto Challenge is a well-crafted plan to get you through the first month. You get a 28-day meal plan to guide you every step of the way. You're never left to figure things out on your own. Simply follow the plan and you will succeed. When you complete your 28-Day Keto Challenge, you'll feel a huge sense of accomplishment. Just imagine. 28 days from now, you will have successfully completed the Keto Challenge. Not only will you feel a huge sense of accomplishment, but you also will be lighter and thinner. It's not uncommon to lose 20+ lbs. Have more energy than you've felt in years. Be sleeping better and feeling more rested when you wake up. Notice improvements in your skin and hair. The 28-Day Keto Challenge gives you an easy-to-follow plan and includes everything you need to be successful with the keto diet, both now and in the long term. There is zero risk to try it now. Your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. Click the link below video for more information.